18th, 2020, around 10:05 p.m. Fullerton Police Department detectives were in the area of 5500 Melrose Avenue on a follow-up for a child sexual abuse case. The Fullerton police officers requested the assistance of LAPD Hollywood Division officers to assist them in taking a suspect into custody. That suspect was later identified as Brian Gudiel Barrios.
Put the knife down. Greg, go mid-block. Go mid-block. He's got a knife to his throat. Knife to his throat. Hey, buddy, you're fine. No, you're not, buddy. You're not. No, you're not. Hey, stop. Stop. Go back. No, it's not, man. Hey, your life's not over. Sir. Hey, sir, stop. Sir, stop. Your life's not over. Your life's not over. Sir, your life's not over. No, sir. 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 Hey, come on, buddy. Hey, come on. Put the knife down. Put the knife down. Put the knife down. Greg, taser. Taser, taser, taser. Put the knife down, dude. Put the knife down, buddy. Hey, put the knife down. Negative. You know, he's cutting himself or running. He's down to those LAPD officers here. Hey, buddy, put the knife down. Put the knife down, bud. Put the knife down. Hey.
Wait out for me.
Running eastbound on Melrose. I need those LAPD units here. Code 3. He's cutting himself. North sidewalk. Put the knife down, buddy. Hey, come on, buddy. Put the knife down. No, I don't want you to die, dude. Put the knife down. No, hey, put it down, buddy. Come on. Hey, no, put it down. No, you're not. No, you're not. No, this is gonna be okay. Put it down. No, you're gonna be okay. You're gonna be. No, come on, buddy. Put the knife down. You're gonna be all right, bro. You're gonna be okay. Put the knife down. Put it down. Put it down, bro. Put it down, buddy. Put it down. Drop the knife. Drop it, buddy. Drop it. Drop the knife, buddy. Come on, buddy. Lay down. Toss the knife, dude. Toss the knife. Drop the knife, Brian. Brian, drop the knife. Drop the knife. Drop the knife. Lay down. Drop the knife. Bean back it. Bean back him. Drop it. Bean back it, partner. Bean back him. Drop the knife. Brian, drop the knife. Drop it. I got a 40. I got less lethal. Drop it, drop it, drop it. Drop it. Drop it! Give him with that feedback! Drop it! Keep going! Don't stand! Hurry up! Hit him with that feedback, man! Drop it! Drop it! Drop it! Drop the knife! Keep hitting him with that! Let's keep going, guys! Back. Hey, talk to the man. Talk to him with the Latino. Let's go. Go. Come here. Boss. Come here. Come here more. Come now. More or less lethal. Okay. Go down this. Drop it! Mario! Drop it! Drop the knife, Mario! Drop it!
himself. Marius! Marius, listen!
He tries to go at somebody else,
Roger. Marius, listen! Stop! Drop it! Drop it, Marius! Let's talk! Marius, let's talk about it! Marius!
Start an RA, slicing we got tape over here. No, we're not getting close enough for a taser.
Marius!
You guys hold him. Watch out!
Marius, stop!
Hey!
Beanbag him! Marius! Drop it! Drop it! Drop the chair, Mario! Write it out!
You, just stop where you are. Talk to him, no, nice and easy, bro.
Hold on.
Relax. Relax. Dude, relax. You're just here to talk. Chill, bro. Seriously, chill. Okay, it's all good.
Hey,
It's not, dude.
hey, you need a doctor, man.
They just want to talk to you.
We need to get you an ambulance right now.
Let's just talk.
I don't. Hey, look, you're really bleeding a lot. No, I really don't want you.
You don't want to help someone to forget.
I understand. Hey, look, we're here already. We're trying to help you. If you just come to me,
No point.
we will get you and rescue you, and we will have somebody take care of you. Okay? Just put the knife down. I know you really don't want to hurt yourself. You've already done enough. Just do me a solid and put that knife down. What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Come on. I'm just trying to communicate. My name's Al. What's your name? Brian? Brian. Just put the knife down. I can help you. Okay? We're not here to hurt you. We want to help you right now. Okay? If you just put the knife down, I can help you. Okay? Just watch yourself. Watch yourself. Sit back. Sit back. Let's not commit. We just don't want to... Come on, Brian. Just put the knife down. Yeah. Here, do me a favor. Don't do that. It's loaded. Come on, Brian. Don't do that. Don't hurt yourself anymore, okay? Come on. I'll help you get out of here. All you got to do is do me. I'm going to take care of you as long as you help me. Okay? Just put the knife down and just come over towards me, and I'll get you the help. And we'll take care of you. We're not here to hurt you. Well, we're not done talking. Come on, Brian. We can work on this together. I know we're both waiting for the same thing. But if you put that knife down, it'll be quicker for both of us. Quicker for you, and I can help you. All right, Brian? just put that down by your side. There you go. Perfect. See, I'm not, that's perfect. Thank you. Yeah, bye.
Just tell CP whatever. CP. You can get up and
Yep. Yeah. I got taser. There you go. Nice away. There you go. There you go, Brian. That away. That away, Brian. That away. Good job, Brian. We're to help you right now, Brian. ACP, he's going to be in custody. He dropped the knife. We're going to need that. All right.
hold on, guys. You're good.
Brian, stay with me, Brian.
All these chairs.